Hello kids, welcome to Text Learning. Today's topic is birds. We see different kinds of birds all around us. They have different features that help them to fly, move and eat food. All birds cannot fly. Some of these birds are kiwi, emu, ostrich and penguin. They are called flightless birds. Parts of a bird's body: head, beak, body, wing, eyes, feather, tail and legs. Some birds like the rooster and turkey have a crown on their head and a wattle hanging from the neck. Birds have feathers that cover their bodies. They have mainly two types of feathers such as down feathers and flight feathers. Types of feathers: down feathers cover the body of birds and keep them warm. They are light, small and fluffy. Flight feathers are long and strong. They are attached to the wings and tail. They help the bird to fly. Birds do not have teeth to eat food. Beaks help them to eat. Different birds have different kinds of beaks which suit the kind of food they eat. Beaks and eating habits: strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Some birds like owl, vultures, kites and eagles have a strong, sharp and hooked beak to eat the flesh of animals. Strong and curved beak. A parrot has a strong and curved beak that helps it to scoop out the fruit and to crack nuts and seeds easily. Short, hard and horny beaks. Some birds like sparrows, finches and peacocks have short, hard and horny beaks to crush grain and seeds. Long and cylinder beaks. A hawk's beak is long and cylinder that helps the bird to pull out insects from holes in the ground or trees. Strong and chisel-shaped beaks. A woodpecker has a strong and chisel-shaped beak. This helps the woodpecker to tap or make a hole in the bark of tree. Broad and flat beaks. A duck and geese have broad and flat beaks with tiny holes on the sides. Broad and short beaks. A swallow has a broad and short beak. They keep their beaks open to catch the flying insects. Let's learn about feet and claws of the birds. Flesh-eating birds. Some birds like kites, vultures, eagles and hawks have strong, sharp and curved claws that help them to catch their prey like fish, etc. Such claws of birds are called talons. Perching birds. Some birds like sparrow, crow, etc. have 3 toes in front and one at the back that help them to grip branches of the trees tightly. Scratching birds. A hen has sharp and hard claws with 3 long toes in front and one short toe at the back that help the hen to scratch the earth and catch insects. Swimming birds. Birds like ducks and geese have small feet with 3 long broad and toes in front that join together with the skin which help them in swimming. Wading birds. Some birds like crane, heron, etc. have long legs with spread out toes that help them wade through muddy water. Climbing birds. Birds like woodpeckers, parrots, and parakeets have 2 toes that point upwards and the other 2 that point downwards. They help the birds to climb up trees and hold fruits to eat. Thank you for watching Text Learning. Please like, subscribe and share.